Hi, this is an instructional video to replace the batteries on the Voice Express mini recorder for plush and pillow. What you need besides the recorder is a flathead screwdriver, a sharpie, and replacement L44 button cell batteries. First thing I like to do is to mark on the device where everything is lined up, so that when we take it apart, we'll know how to put it together. You take the flathead screwdriver and you depress the tabs that are holding the device down. Get around while you do that. So this one is released. Release that one. And release the final one. And just pull everything apart. And then we go ahead and take that Sharpie and make a mark here as well. And make sure it goes all the way to the plastic. Okay, so then you can remove the play button. And you can also remove, just take out the device that's in it. You'll notice that there are tabs on the buttons, the holders for the batteries on one side. So basically what you want to do is to press out the battery and just let it come out on the other side. And we've removed the 3 batteries. And I should say that you really should have the selector switch in the play or the off position. Never have it in the record position, because inadvertently when you replace the batteries, you could record over the message that you have on it. So make sure at this point that the selector switch is either the play position or in the off position. Then you take your new batteries and you simply slide them into where the old batteries were. And you can notice the orientation here. The flat side is facing up. Here too, flat side is facing up. And then you can go ahead and just drop it back in to where it was before, and make sure that you put the play button on.
Hi Mom, happy birthday. Wish I could be there with you, but every time you hug this bear,
So we can
you'll
know
know just how
that
much
it
I
works.
love you. I love you.
And then we can line this up and put it back on.
Hi Mom, happy birthday. Wish I could be there with you, but every time you...
And that's how you replace the batteries.